Do you know what I genuinely did this morning?
What?
Had a wank. Oh yeah, we need to end the video with thanks for watching and God save the Queen.
And then the Russian national anthem.
Yeah. Gonna work this in?
That's what's inside our hard drive. This has got
Everybody.
some sensitive data that we need to destroy.
Can you hear that noise, Max? That's the sound of
Data.
sensitive material being destroyed. Max hasn't even filmed. Max, you're shit. Absolutely shit.
There we go. That's the recycle bin. Emptied.
Right, Max, what the fuck?
What are you doing?
What the hell?
What are you doing?
So there's some plastering. Oh, it's just chefing, making some crappy patties.
I reckon these are pretty good frisbees, actually.
Yeah, try it.
There.
Well, Max is terrible at throwing frisbees, we've established that. That was bloody perfect, what the hell? Chicken. No.
Decapitated chicken.
Oh my god. Max, what's wrong with you? You know, what's it called? Is it PETA is going to be after you now? It's like some vegan group.
Yeah.
Animal rights activists. Nice Vans t-shirt, Max. Are you trying to look cool?
Sponsored by Vans.
Do not look.
Welcome back to Science with Greg.
There's not even science anymore.
Welcome back to, what is it?
Oh yeah, welcome back, Logang. Is Logang copyrighted? We need our research team. Just research team. Is Logang copyrighted? This is. I'll do this in post. Maybe we should change Science with Greg to Vloggy Boy.
Maybe not.
Oh yeah. Wow, Max, that was really good. You know, I think you're going to be a professional when you grow up. Exhilarating. Oh yeah. Wow. Well, I'm bored. It's just my name, but we're all kind of like characters.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Under like the Hell Yeah brand.
But yeah, but right now, at this point, the With Greg brand is far bigger than anything related to Hell Yeah. I'm sorry to say, but mine is the only one who's made potential revenue.
Maybe. I did make a sketch that has 5,000 views
That's good.
back in the day.
Which one?
Killer Henry.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it got plus 5,000 views. Might even actually be more than that. I know Max has beaten both.
The plane video.
The plane video got like 25,000 views.
How?
I don't know, people just, it's been up for like,
Well, it's because of the plane, I suppose.
it's because of the plane, it's a popular area, and it's been up for like 10 years. So it just defaults getting views. We should showcase it on Science with Greg.
Analyze.
I've just realised Max has been filming this whole time.
Yeah.
We've just been...